In this video, I'll show you how you can add moving averages in TradingView. Now, the easiest way to do this is head over to a chart, and once you're on the chart, you want to click on indicators. Then in here type MA for moving average, and you can find some moving averages. So you can see here there is a moving average simple, so I'll just use this in this case. So if I select it, you'll see that I have now added a moving average. Now, if I want to change it, what you can do is double click on it and the length will be the day. So it says 9 now. So if I change it to 50, this will be a 50 moving average. And you can see it will now change accordingly. So there are also some multiple moving averages. So if we search for moving average, you'll see that there should be some many days like this one, moving averages 50 and 200, which is basically just the double one. So you can see if I close the 50 that I made myself, it is directly above the other 51. So you can see that the one I made and his 50 is exactly the same one. So this one has two, the 50 and 200, and that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.